Hello, my name is Mike Williams. I'm from the United States of America. I've been teaching English for over 12 years. I've actually taught in multiple countries, from South Korea to Singapore, even here in the Philippines. One of the things that I enjoy is seeing my students fulfill their goals in becoming better English students. So one of the things that you will see in my classes is that I will have a more hands-on approach when it comes to our classes. So we love to actually have basically lessons that are oriented around media or things that you will see visually. You can also have a check on learning within the actual lesson, just to make sure that you are following everything that is happening. Now, of course, one of the main things that I teach, other than English second language, is IELTS, which happens to be the International English Language Testing System. This test is one of the better tests that you can use in order to go to other countries to either study or work. So again, I specialize in that particular test, as well as TOEFL and TOEIC. Now, of course, here at CIP, I would encourage you to learn in this particular school because of the fact that we have more than qualified instructors that know what they're doing and that can actually help you to succeed your goals in the best environment possible. So I hope to see you here. I will see you soon. Thank you.